I'm Jeff Mixon, and this is the Civitas Institute's Talk of the State program. Joining me once again is the Budget and Tax Policy Analyst here at the Civitas Institute, Brian Balfour. We were talking in our last show about North Carolina's tax burden, and we're going to continue that conversation and drill down into some numbers. Brian, what did you find out in your research about North Carolina's tax burden over the last 8 years?
Over the last several years, I took a look at that and found that, number one, there was no broad-based tax relief offered up whatsoever when you look at income, corporate, or sales taxes for the state. And secondly, if you look at the temporary taxes that, of course, proved to be not so temporary, along with the permanent half-cent local sales tax increase, that amounted to a total tax hike on the citizens of North Carolina of more than $5.3 billion and counting. And secondly, an interesting statistic that I discovered was that North Carolina's state tax collections as a percentage of personal income was actually third highest in the nation and higher than New York's, Massachusetts, and Connecticut's. So I found that to be quite interesting.
Wow, that's stunning. Well, when you collect all of these revenues, inevitably you're going to spend them somewhere. What can you tell us about state spending?
Well, general fund spending in North Carolina is now up to, in the latest budget, $21.35 billion. And
that's billion with a B.
That's right, billion with a capital B. And that is up 47% over the last 8 budgets. And just to put that into perspective, that's obviously a big number, $21.35 billion. But to put that into perspective relative to the size of the state of North Carolina, for instance, that general fund spending equates to just roughly around $9,200 for every family of 4, and that number is actually about $2,100 more than it was in fiscal year 2001.
Those are some very troubling statistics, Brian. I'd encourage you at home to log on to our website, nccivitas.org. Read the entire document for yourself. You make the call. Go to our website, type in grading the last 8 years in the search block in the top right corner, and read that document and figure out what North Carolina has been doing with its money for 8 years. I'm Jeff Mixon, and this has been Civitas Institute's Talk of the State.